out here cussing. I asked you to be quiet. You want to keep talking, playing the game? No.
On May 1st, 2023, a Texas law enforcement officer conducted a traffic stop that resulted in a 19-year-old passenger being arrested for disorderly conduct and possession of alcohol by a minor. This analysis examines whether these charges meet constitutional and statutory standards.
Hello.
Hi, sorry, I'm on the phone.
That's fine. Where y'all come from?
We just want to go home. Like, we didn't know. We thought he was sober. He told us he was sober. We want to go home.
It literally smelled like alcohol in this car right now.
Well, it wasn't us. We literally came from suburban.
Oh, okay, you can't smell the alcohol in the car. You can't smell it.
I'm 21.
That ain't what I asked you. You can't smell it. You said you didn't know. You can't smell the alcohol the way I just walked up and smelled it. So you clearly knew he was drinking because we can smell it.
Well,
so,
I didn't know he was drinking, and he told us he was sober enough to drive us home.
What's in that
water.
cup?
It's water. It's
so you knew he had been drinking. But he told you he was sober enough to drive home. Is what he told you.
Yes. I'm not even gonna lie.
Yeah.
And that's what he told us, and we believed him. And I'm sorry, we were just trying to get home.
You literally just said something totally different. You said we didn't know he had been drinking. That's the first thing you said when I walked up, and I didn't even ask for that.
I'm like freaking out about you.
No need to freak out. You ain't driving.
I know, but like I just want to get home. Like he told us he could get us home.
You will be home eventually. How old is your friend in back?
You can talk to her.
Yeah. Let the window down for me. Can you let it down? Yeah.
What, Mom?
I go on that side. Hello. Hi.
I just want to get home.
Where you live at?
I'm scared.
What you scared about?
I live in Houston.
What you scared of?
I'm just scared because like my friend driving was like, oh, I'm sober. I'm fine.
Can you move that jacket right there?
I don't know what that is.
He told us he was okay to drive. I literally
swear to God.
Okay, put that back right there, and not keep it right there, and don't pour it out. Just keep it right there. How old are you?
21. You want my ID?
Yeah, let me get both of your IDs actually. Huh? What?
I have my credit card too.
You code for? You ain't got an ID?
I have a credit card.
You don't have an ID? You just left Suburban and you don't have an ID? You didn't need it to get in a bar?
No, they did not ID her to get in.
Oh, great. Good to know.
So I've been
Okay. Let me get your ID. What's your name, ma'am? Huh? Spell it for me. Speak up louder for me.
SOPHIA. If you want my card, you can have it.
SOPHIA. What's your last name? When's your birthday? And the spelling of your last name is 2003, you said?
It was.
Okay. Were all y'all together at Suburban? So all of y'all were together at Suburban?
Yes, we were.
Okay.
And they did not ID any of us. I mean, I'm 21.
Okay, that's fine. That's fine. So all y'all was drinking together?
She did not drink at Suburban, no, sir.
Okay, where you drunk at? You drunk at your house? Okay, thanks. Hey, go ahead and you can call your mom or somebody. She can come and pick you up. She can come and pick you up. Yes. Where's your mom or whoever you want to call? You can call an Uber or whoever.
Can I call Uber to come get?
Yeah, that's fine. That's fine. But
can you tell my mom that so she knows, please?
Hey, Mom. Can you hear me?
No, she can. That's my little sister. She can come with me, right?
No, your little sister been drinking. Your little sister about to get a citation because she been drinking. I can smell it on her too. She's back there with alcohol. So because of this, I'm gonna breathalyze her. And if she has alcohol, she's gonna get a citation. But your mom can't come pick y'all up, okay?
Can she come? Can the Uber get us?
Yes, go ahead. All right, you told me you've been drinking and you said you were drinking at the house.
You can't give me a citation.
I physically can and I am. I legally can because you just told me you was drinking and you're 20.
At my mom's house.
It doesn't matter. You said, are you of age? Oh, yeah, you can. But you're going to give me a breath test or I'm going to cite you because you have alcohol in your system. So, you said I can't?
No.
Okay, you can call your mom. So what?
You legally can't give me a citation.
Yeah, I legally can, and I can legally take you to jail for it too because you just told me you have alcohol in your system. So do you want to go to jail too? Do you want to play that game? Do you want to play it?
Sophia.
Whoa, do you want to play that game?
I don't.
That's a yes or no question.
No, Mom. So okay. You can take me out of the car. So this man.
Officer McGee.
Okay, so an officer is saying that he wants to give me a citation, but he legally can't breathalyze me.
Okay.
Right?
You have been drinking.
Yes, I have been.
Okay, and are you 21?
No, I'm
That
not.
is illegal, correct?
It is illegal.
So either
I was drinking at my mom's house with my mother.
No. You just told me you just left a bar, is what you just said, and you said you drunk at home, so I don't believe that. So I'm going to write your side. Either you can give me a breath sample or not, and if you refuse to sign it, then I'm going to take you to jail. But you're going to have a citation, either way it go. You just told me you left a bar, right or wrong? Yes or no?
Yes, I did, but
okay.
Nobody, like,
So so are you refusing to give me a breath sample? Yes or no?
Your mother.
Are you?
My mother.
No, your mama don't have anything to do with what's about to happen right now. Are you refusing to give me a breath sample? Yes or no?
Yes.
She literally is not.
Legally,
Are you? Yes or no?
can you please stop yelling at me for a second?
No, because I don't have time for this. Entitlement.
Okay, then breathalyze me. Go ahead and do it.
Take a deep breath. Blow. Keep blowing till I tell you to stop. Keep blowing till I tell you to stop. Keep going. Keep going. Keep blowing until I tell you to stop. Keep blowing until I say
As
stop.
hard as I could.
Sophia, just take it.
Hold this. Yeah, and you lied. Hold this. Hold this.
Sophia, just shut up.
Well, we can get both of them out. And yeah. Step out.
Can I have my phone right now?
Yeah, you can get your phone. Step out. Have a seat right there in front of my car on the curb.
Do I need to get in the car?
Nope. Just have a seat on the curb. Hey, Megan. Come over here and have a seat on the curb for me. You fine? Just have a seat on the curb. Alright. Okay, that's fine. I already talked to her mom. Mom's good.
Get a good roll parking lot.
Sit down before you go in the back of this police car. I am tired of hearing your mouth. Keep talking about it. We can legally search the car because he just been arrested. It's called a search incident to arrest. So keep talking. Sit down and shut up. No, you need to be quiet. It's what you need to do.
Oh my God, I'm 19 years old.
It doesn't matter. No, you're not 19.
You have no right
Yes, I do. You need to be quiet.
You need to chill
He is
out.
executing his rights and the law, and he's doing his job, and you prevent him from doing that. So you need to shut up and sit down like we asked you to do, or you'll be going to jail too. So shut up.
There is no reason to yell at me.
Well, you need to be. Yes, it is, because you're an entitled little brat, and we're trying to do our job, and you hindering us from doing that.
No.
So be quiet.
Stop talking. But there's no reason to yell at me when I've done nothing wrong.
Keep talking.
No. Stop. There's no reason to yell at me when I've done nothing wrong. These are my card. I have no reason to yell. No, absolutely not. Stop that.
Hey, listen, if you keep talking, you are going to go to jail for disorderly conduct. This is not...
Then fucking shoot me. You're about to... Okay.
Stand up.
Oh my God, no. You're about to arrest me for what?
Disorderly conduct. I have asked you to be quiet. No. Turn around.
Oh my God.
10-4. I'm 10-15 one time.
I didn't do shit. I didn't do anything wrong. You're about to arrest me for
You out here cussing. I asked you to be quiet. You want to keep talking, playing the game? No.
wrong. You're about to arrest me. You're about to arrest me for anything wrong.
All right, step back here. Come on. First of all, you got anything on you that I need to know about? Anything on you that'll stick me, poke me, or cut me?
Like, I have nothing on me.
Turn around. All right, come on, let's go.
Oh my God, what are you doing?
Stand up.
What are you doing?
Unlock my door.
The officer approaches a vehicle with probable cause based on suspected DUI. Under Pennsylvania v. Mimms and Maryland v. Wilson, officers may order all occupants from vehicles during lawful stops for safety reasons. The detention of passengers is constitutional under Brendlin v. California, which held passengers are seized equally with drivers during traffic stops. Notice the strong odor of alcohol provides probable cause to investigate DUI violations under Texas Penal Code Section 49.0-4. The passengers make contradictory statements about the driver's drinking, initially denying knowledge, then admitting they knew. These voluntary statements are admissible under Miranda v. Arizona because no custodial interrogation has occurred. The officer requests identification to verify ages. While Texas lacks a general stop and identify statute for passengers, requesting ID during a DUI investigation involving potential minors with alcohol is within the scope of the lawful stop. One passenger reveals she's 19, establishing she's under the legal drinking age of 21. The confirmation that passengers were together at a bar raises Texas Penal Code Section 106.0-5 issues. This statute prohibits minors from possessing alcoholic beverages. It's a Class C misdemeanor with fines up to $500. The statute requires actual possession or consumption, not mere presence where alcohol exists. The officer allows passengers to arrange rides and leave freely, demonstrating proper understanding of detention limits under Rodriguez v. United States. Traffic stops may last no longer than necessary to handle the matter for which the stop was made. Here, the delay is caused by passengers arranging transportation, not investigative overreach. The critical shift occurs when one passenger is arrested while others are released. Under Terry v. Ohio, officers must have individualized suspicion to treat individuals differently. Probable cause specific to this passenger must exist for the arrest, though the evidence supporting the minor in possession charge isn't clearly visible on camera.
What are you doing to me? I didn't do anything wrong. I really didn't. Oh my God. Are you...
Anything in the back of the car gonna belong to you.
I have
Stand up.
nothing. I have nothing on me.
Okay.
Oh my God.
Lean back. Lean back.
Oh my God.
No. That you are fine to record. We're recording you. That's your right to record.
And I know.
So she's under arrest for disorderly conduct and possession of alcohol under the age of 21. Yeah, she's going to jail. She's going to Cobb County Jail. You can go ahead and call your Uber. You're free to go. Yep, your mama or Uber.
Can I stand up?
Yep, you can call whoever you want. You can walk home if you want to walk home. You're grown. No, we can't take you home. We got two people in the back of the car who's going to jail.
Oh
my god, I did anything wrong. I did not even do anything wrong, and there's so much fucked up shit that you can do right now. People are being murdered, and you're not even dealing with that shit right now. Okay, what is that? A recording? I don't even care. You did not read me my Miranda rights at all. And you're literally arresting me for driving in a car. And you did not read me my Miranda rights. And you said, yeah, I don't need to read you your Miranda rights. Yeah, that's what you said. And I'm arrested in the car. Like, oh my god. Do you think I'm going to beat the car?
11:45. Ace records considered.
Please get me out of this car and put me in a different car right now, please. Just please. Let me talk to a reasonable person. After you arrested me for doing absolutely nothing, not even drunk driving. Drinking under the age, yes. But that is literally the least thing that you need to worry about. And you fucking arrested me for absolutely nothing.
Mm-hmm.
Like, I'm literally the least harm that you could do. And no, I'm not even. No. Are you kidding me? And I'm in handcuffs right now.
Yes, you are.
Oh, wow. Okay. Like, this is just crazy. Like, there are people that will hit you, like, and you're putting me in handcuffs, and people will hit. Are you like a new officer or something?
Oh no, I'm not, ma'am. I've been policing a long time.
Okay, well, you put me in handcuffs, and I did not even hit you or anything.
11:39, go for.
Okay.
This is ridiculous. Like, I can't even believe this right now.
10-4, 11:53,
No,
go for.
like, I can't. Because it's just.
10-4, 11:27.
I'm 19 years old and you put me in handcuffs? And I didn't even hit you? Are you kidding me? Like, oh my god. Like, I'm not even fucking doing drugs. Please, can I please talk to an officer? I'm not even, like, doing great at all. Excuse me, sir. There can be so many worse things in this world, and you're literally resisting me right now, and I'm not even going to, like, I never even resisted an arrest at all. And you're literally going to, like, be rude to me out of all things, and you're ignoring me, and that's fine, but and you put me in handcuffs for what? When I never even resisted any sort of arrest. And you won't even let me talk to an officer. That's so fucked up. Let me talk to an officer, please. Let me please talk to an officer. That is not okay for you to be like that. Like, I'm not even doing anything wrong at all. I have a bucket right here that I can unbuckle and leave, and I won't even do that because I respect police officers and, like, I'm Republican as fuck, and no, I can't believe you're doing this to me right now. Can you please roll down the window so I can talk to a police officer? And I know you can hear me. Wow, I can't, okay. Report it all you want. Say whatever you want. Make up random shit. Okay, whatever.
The handcuffing itself is legally sound. Under Graham versus Connor, force is evaluated from the officer's perspective at the moment of action. Handcuffing an arrested person is standard practice, and not excessive force absent unusual circumstances. The physical mechanics appear within policy, though the subject experiences severe emotional distress. 11 minutes pass before the officer articulates the charges. Disorderly conduct and possession of alcohol under 21. While not a constitutional violation, this delay represents a tactical failure. Texas Code of Criminal Procedure Article 15.17 requires timely notification of charges, typically at jail, but best practices support explaining charges at arrest. The subject challenges the lack of Miranda warnings. This reveals a common misconception. Miranda requires warnings only before custodial interrogation. Custody plus interrogation equals Miranda required. Here, the subject was arrested, satisfying custody. But the officer hasn't interrogated her. Her statements are spontaneous and voluntary, making them admissible without Miranda. Now, examine the disorderly conduct charge under Texas Penal Code Section 42.0-1. The statute requires fighting, violent or threatening behavior, unreasonable noise, or offensive language likely to incite immediate breach of peace. The subject uses profanity and criticizes police priorities, stating, quote, "People are being murdered and you're not even doing that." This language is crude but constitutionally protected. Under Houston v. Hill and Texas v. Johnson, the First Amendment protects verbal criticism of police, including profane criticism, unless it meets the narrow fighting words exception. The subject's statements were made from inside a locked patrol vehicle while handcuffed, creating zero realistic risk of inciting violence or breach of peace. The disorderly conduct charge appears to criminalize constitutionally protected speech. Courts have repeatedly struck down using disorderly conduct statutes to punish criticism of police as viewpoint-based punishment violating the First Amendment. Based on legal and tactical standards, the arresting officer receives a grade of C+. Legally, the traffic stop was justified, passenger detention was lawful, and the minor in possession charge appears supported. However, the disorderly conduct charge is constitutionally problematic, failing to meet statutory elements while potentially violating First Amendment protections. Tactically, the officer's communication was inadequate, failing to explain charges for 11 minutes after handcuffing an emotionally distraught teenager missed critical de-escalation opportunities. The officer maintained legal authority but failed to employ procedural justice principles that reduce trauma and complaints. The arrested subject receives a grade of D+. Her alleged underage alcohol possession was unlawful. Her initial false statements undermined credibility. Her emotional response, while understandable given her age and inexperience, escalated the situation. Though her criticism was constitutionally protected, it was tactically unwise and likely contributed to the questionable disorderly conduct charge. Key lessons from this encounter. First, for citizens, know that passengers have limited obligations during stops. You may remain silent beyond providing ID if requested. Recording police is your First Amendment right. Criticism of police, even harsh criticism, should not support disorderly conduct charges. Emotional outbursts, while legal, are tactically counterproductive. For law enforcement, communication is a tactical tool equal to physical control. Clearly explaining the legal basis for arrests reduces resistance and preserves legitimacy. Disorderly conduct statutes must meet constitutional standards, not serve as punishment for criticism. Young, frightened subjects require different approaches than experienced offenders. This case demonstrates the gap between legal compliance and effective policing. An action can be lawful yet handled in ways that cause unnecessary distress or damage public trust. Modern policing requires both constitutional precision and procedural justice. Let us know your thoughts on this case in the comments below. Were the charges justified? How would you have handled this situation? Thank you for watching. And don't forget to check out our second channel, Street Law, for even more police interaction and courtroom content. Remember to subscribe for more legal analysis of police encounters.